All right, this is the applied lab for 6.5.8, which is creating a new slide master layout. Same as before, we'll have a couple steps go through. We'll check our work along the way. All right, in this one, it's asking us to modify the background of the title and content layout of the Confucius Slide Master. So let's go View, Slide Master, and we want to go to the title and content slide master, and we're going to, from the pictures folder, insert the benevolence PNG. So we're going to go insert pictures from this device, and we're going to find the benevolence one, insert that. Oh, they want us to do it into the background, so we're going to come over here and right click on the background here, format background, and with that we're going to insert a picture. Go find that picture again, which is right here. We're going to change the transparency to 90%. All right, and then we're going to check our answer, see if we got all of that. So we got the two of it done correct, so keep working. This one has us go to the title and content layout of the Aristotle Slide Master. So we're going to scroll down here. This is the Aristotle Slide Master. Let's come to this one, which is our title and content one. Again, we're going to right click on this one, format the background, and from the pictures, we're going to select the knowledge picture. And with that one, which is this one here, we're going to change the transparency to 80%. All right, and then check our answers real quick, which we got 4 out of 8, which is fantastic. And then change the theme color of the Aristotle Slide Master to yellow. So we're going to select this, go to our theme color, go under the Slide Master menu. Here's our themes, our colors, and it says yellow, orange, which is that one there. And when we check our answers, we should have 5 out of the 8. Perfect. So let's scroll down here. The last few things, we're going to exit the Slide Master, and on all slides except for the title slide, display the number slide. So we're going to insert. We want to insert, see, where does it want us to do this? All right. We want to insert it on all of our slides except for the title slide. So let's go to our header and footer. We're going to do slide number except for the title slide, apply to all. And then at the end of the presentation, insert a new slide. So we're going to come down here, put our cursor at the end. We're going to insert a new slide that uses the title and content layout. So we're going to insert new slide, and we want title and content from the Aristotle Slide Master. So that's the Confucius one. Here's the Aristotle. We want title and content here. And then in the title placeholder of the newly created slide, pause for a second, my dog was drinking. So in the title placeholder, we're going to type in here, get my cursor to work, Aristotle, Aristotle, apostrophe S, ethical views. And then check your answers, and we have 8 out of 8. Perfect.